babe. You still love me if I was fat?
Oh shit. What has a banana?
What field of work are monkey owners in? The monkey business. Get it?
Dog. What the fuck?
Mimicking cat noise gets a bunch of females rallied up.
Hey, throw something else at me. Throw something else at me.
Why are you so loud?
Throw something else at me. Watch what happens. Watch what happens. He sounds smart like a chicken. Oh, he sound. It's funny, man. Hey, did I say you throw something else at me? Watch. You got one more time.
Wait, you gotta chill. What is
Slim. Slim. Alright. Watch what I tell you. Keep throwing stuff at me. Move your ass. I'm gonna whoop your ass. I'm gonna come over there and I'm gonna whoop your ass.
Hit the subscribe and we'll catch
You go get a whooping.
next one.
On the ass.
Searching for a new
That video was hilarious.
Well, good news.
It was real
Search
funny.
is over.
She
Check
threw
out this
pills
month's
at me,
offers on
candy,
new models.
water bottle.
Plus, you may be eligible
That's
for
great.
above market value for your trade, making now the perfect time to
That's
upgrade.
alright. It's all good.
Come in or click now for more details
Crazy.
on your new